These birds land on the wounded hippo and drink its blood, but the hippo doesn't chase them away because they are actually saving its life. Oxpeckers, known as nature's doctors, land on animals like rhinos, elephants, and giraffes, feeding on lice, ticks, and other parasites, and clean their wounds by eating the rotting flesh and dirt mixed into the wound, preventing potentially fatal infections. Unfortunately, they sometimes cause new wounds while cleaning, but the animals don't mind because the birds also serve as a natural radar. With their sharp eyesight, they spot approaching predators and start screeching, protecting especially those animals with poor vision.